It's a great transition to go from one same direction to the other. So this guy. A couple things that might help you with this one is you're going into it with your arms like this wide out. Try and keep it a little closer to you. And then at the point where it wraps all the way around, watch my hands. I'm rolling in with it so that I can snap it the other way to undo it. I roll in with it and snap it the other way. So roll your hands in, snap back to get it to go the other way. And then when you do the snap, make it really crisp. So the intention is, because like, see how I can be, all right, so I'm stopped completely, right? But I can go from stopped into a crisp exit with a very sharp twist of the hands. So the motion is very like that, or if it's this way, it's like that. And what I'm also doing to get a sharp snap is I'm spreading my hands apart. Not that much, but I do spread my hands apart. And in the process of spreading my hands apart, it forces the poi to pop up off the hand.